Hi all, welcome to my channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Mods, and yes, we have another Terminator Tuesday, guys. We have issue 99 of Build a Terminator, and this thing is going to come to an end in, what, 101 issues. Cannot believe that. Yeah, I'm really getting excited towards the end now of this build. We're going to be doing another bit of the foot and toe, and we've got some more details for the upper leg, lower leg to do again today. So I'm going to get started. So with all that said, let's get modelling. Okay, so again we're going to be starting yet again with another foot bit. So we've got this bit here, and we've got this bit here. And it's the same old guys, really. We're just going to be attaching it in together. Now, I'm just making sure that I put this in the right way. So that goes in there, like that. Let me just bring it a bit more into shot. There we go. And we've got a little grub screw to put down into it. And there we go. Grub screw in. Done quite a few of these now, so it's actually no surprise. We actually sort of know what we're doing, touch wood. Okay, so next bit goes on to there. We need a plastic sleeve. Now, I did have difficulties with these plastic sleeves last time. I remember somebody saying a while ago, put them in from the bottom, and I did that in the last issue, and I don't know why I'm not doing it in this issue. But they said it's easier if they go in underneath. Now, I've never had any problems with these plastic sleeves, but over the last few issues, well, they don't go in, but helps if you have it lined up first. So I've been having troubles with these lately. I don't know why. Never had any problems with them in the past. Like you say, like I said, that one's just gone in lovely. Okay. So now we've done that, we've got this little plastic bit that's going to hold it in place. We push that in, and then using the back of my screwdriver, I just push that nice and flush home. Okay, next bit is we need the toe. Again, it's the same way, plastic sleeve. I'm going to go from underneath this time. Now that one's not going in this properly this time. I don't know what it is with these plastic sleeves. Have they changed some of it, or I don't know. But they seem to always go in fine. See, that one's from the other side and that's going fine. Anyway, again we put another bit to lock it in. Push that in, and then push that home. Okay, and that's another toe section, foot section done. Right, so we're moving on to the lower leg. Again, we're going to need this bit, and we're going to need this bit. And again, this time this bit is going to be going into here like so. So I'm going to do, just get it the right way around. We get our bit here. We put the screw into it, we pop it through the hole, we then get our screwdriver on the end of it. It'd help if it wasn't an ordinary screwdriver because that's got an Allen key head on it. Right, so we pop it in like that, we get the section that needs to go on, bring it in and twist it around, and then just start tying it up. Like I said before, these do take quite a few rotations, so just be aware of that. But it will go in, it will tighten up, it's just got to get in there. Right, okay, moving on then. Now we've got this bit here. This bit we got back in issue 98. but we don't need it. But if you remember the assembly from before, this more or less goes in. That bit's come up and I don't know why. Right, I'll have to glue that in after. This bit's just going to go in here, just like that. Then what we need to do is we need to turn it over with that bit in place, because we've got this little plate here that we got in this issue. We need to slot it in to the holes, just like that. Then, I just turn the page. We need to screw it in with the PM 3x8mm screw. Got that ready. So screw that in all the way down, and that locks everything into place. I will be having a glue of that after. And then we've just got these little details here that we actually need to put on. These do need super gluing on though. So super glue. On there. Get my cocktail stick. We'll start with this side first. So, nice generous bit of glue, and then I'll just put some on the surface area just to be sure. Okay, and then we just pop that into place. Just hold it with my fingers for a few seconds just while that glue takes. Okay, and then we'll just move on to the other side. I'm going to repeat in what we did. Really nice, this really nice. Okay, and then we'll just pop this last one on when it wants to go in. Top section, bottom section in, and there we have it. So yeah, we've done that today, and we've done another toe as well today, and yeah, this is looking rather impressive now. What I'll do though, well, when I turn the camera off, while I've got my glue out, I'll just put some more glue on here to hold that bit in place. But as simple as it says, that's issue 99 done. Well, that's it for issue 99 of the Terminator, guys. Thanks for tuning in and watching this video. Yes, it is sad that this model is going to be coming to an end, but I really am looking forward to the finished article. I really are, and it's going to go down there actually where them bell jars are there. It's going to go on the floor there because it will actually fit underneath there, and I think that's the best place to display it really. So yeah, I'm looking forward to finishing this model. So if you like this video, please give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit that notification bell and be notified of any future videos. But as for always, guys, stay safe and bye for now. I'd just like to give a shout out to all my patrons that help and support the channel. Please check out their channels on YouTube as well, and thank you very much for watching.